Hey Lucky, what are some smart ways to reduce my cost of living or living expenses?
Hi, thank you so much for this question. It's actually very appropriate, especially with inflation here with us. So here are some smart tips that you can use to reduce your cost of living. Number one, use a budget to plan your spending. Two, learn and do things yourself. For example, you could do some home repairs yourself. Next, reduce or eliminate eating out in favor of homemade food. Next, shop smartly. Buy non-perishable goods or items in bulk. Take advantage of coupons, points, and memberships. Next, eliminate unnecessary bills, subscriptions, and membership. Use less energy when it comes to electricity and gas. Use public transport more. Plan and combine your trips if you must use your car. And finally, find cheaper ways to play, relax, and go on vacation. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. See you next time. I hope this was useful. Bye.